In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wheezy type beat in Suno AI. First, head over to Suno, log into your account, and open the Create page. From there, start a new music generation project. This is where everything begins, and getting into a fresh project helps you stay organized as you test different ideas and compare results. Next, turn on custom mode. This is important because custom mode gives you much more control over the final sound. Instead of relying on a basic prompt, you can be more intentional about the style, mood, and production details you want the beat to have. If you're aiming for a polished trap instrumental, this extra control makes a big difference. Now it's time to describe the beat style. Rather than naming a producer directly, focus on the characteristics of the sound you want. A strong example would be something like modern melodic trap instrumental with dark atmospheric melodies, ambient pads, hard-hitting 808s, crisp hi-hats, punchy drums, emotional piano accents, spacious mix, catchy melodies, and professional studio production. The more clearly you describe the vibe, the better Suno can interpret your direction. As you build your prompt, focus on the production elements that really define this style. Mention smooth melodic loops, atmospheric textures, deep 808 bass, fast hi-hat rolls, trap drum patterns, minimal but catchy melodies, and a dark emotional vibe. These details help shape the identity of the beat and guide the generation towards something more usable. To make sure Suno creates a beat without any vocals, be very direct in your prompt. Add instrumental only, no vocals, no singing, no rap. This helps prevent unwanted voice elements and keeps the result focused on the production. Once your prompt is ready, generate multiple versions instead of settling for the first one. Listen closely to each variation and compare the melody quality, drum patterns, bass impact, and overall vibe. Often, one version will have stronger drums, while another has a better melody, so generating several options gives you more to work with. If the results aren't quite there yet, refine the prompt. For a darker sound, try describing it as a dark cinematic trap instrumental with haunting melodies, deep sub-bass, spacious atmosphere, and aggressive drums. If you want something more melodic, shift toward emotional trap instrumental with dreamy synths, piano melodies, warm pads, and smooth 808s. When you find a version you like, use the extend feature to build it out further. This is useful for adding more sections, creating smoother transitions, building a fuller song structure, and simply making the instrumental longer. Finally, save your preferred version, download the audio file, and if you want more control, import it into your DAW for additional editing. That's the full process for creating a Wheezy type beat in Suno AI.